Welcome back to SBK Loco. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit of a hand toss, little da da da, a little bit of salsa kung fu action. Okay, now with this movement, your timing is everything as a leader. So you're going to start off with these hooks here. It's very important. Let's just do a normal turn first to show you guys what's going on here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now if I keep both hands holding, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to get a little something like this, where I'm just connected double hands. But what we're actually going to do, if you can turn towards the camera, I'm going to drop this down to her elbow. So instead of being here, I'm going to be here. I'm going to control this mostly with the right hand. This is just going to stay up. I forgot to tell you that I see a lot of leaders when I teach this, they're using both hands at the same time, which is going to be immensely confusing for the follower. So leaders, remember, we're just using one hand to lead this. So watch. 1, 2, up. This is both hands up, same. I'm going to focus the right hand. 5, left hand does nothing. 6 and 7. When she turns around, I'm on 7, she's on 7. I'm on my right foot, she's on her left foot. That's 7 for leads, 7 for follows. Now I'm going to go pop to a flex. It's like flex like you're going to the gym. Flex. Show the lady your muscles. Many things you can do here as a leader. You can drop it down. You can come up and go over your own head. My favorite, I think every salsa dancer's favorite. We do this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. All right, everyone loves that move. It's so fun. Here, in this case, we're just gonna let it slide through calmly, doing our 1 and tossing the hand. 5, 6, 7. Now we're just gonna go over, send her for an inside turn. After that, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, trace the back, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the cool thing about this movement is you can do many things from here. Doom, doom, da, da, da. So watch it, for example, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So many things you can do from here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, around and up, 5, 6, 7. Focus the left hand only. I'm going to go for here. Now when I hit my 5, take her with me, trace the back. Many things we can do here. Let's go for a shoulder check. 6, 7. Many things you can do here. Reverse back or here. Take to the back and spin. Subscribe and thank you. No, that's a bad ending. Down and up one more time.